everyone, this is Amy. Welcome to my channel. I just got my delivery from Farmbox Direct and I thought you might want to see what's in it. Interestingly, this time I forgot it was a Farmbox Direct week. So they picked it for me. So I have no idea what's going to be in this box. So it should be interesting. But before we get this box open, I want to tell you about a few things that are going on around here. So I just took a break from doing it, finishing up my 28-day transformation program. And by the time this video goes up, you'll be able to register for it. It's the exact program I used that kickstarted me to lose more than 30 pounds. So that's pretty exciting, and I think you're really going to love it. And there's a link in the description down below so you can register for it. Also, I've got tons of content coming at you this month for the holidays and in preparation of the holidays. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button now and then tap the bell icon right next to it. That way you'll get notified whenever I publish a new video and you won't miss any of this content coming at you for November and December, which you're not going to want to miss. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get this box open. Find out what's in here. So this I told you guys about last time. I think it's a great idea. It's Inspire the Little Chef You Have at Home. And it's a program, and I don't know if Farmbox Direct owns it or if it's an affiliate program, but it's called Harlow's Harvest. And if you have a little one at home that you want to be interested in the kitchen and cooking, or is already interested in the kitchen and cooking, maybe take a look at this. I have nothing to do with it. I just think it's a really cool idea, and it's in my box. And they're reminding me about the loyalty program. So if you're watching this video and you want to give Farmbox Direct a try, there's a link in the description down below. You'll receive $10 off. That's pretty cool. Okay, so what's in here? I don't think I need to take a shot of the box because you guys can see that, because this box is smaller, you guys can see right in here, I think. I wonder if they based it off what I usually order. So we have some green beans with the Desi packs inside, and these are amazing, and I actually use these in my fridge. I keep them and put them in a crisper in the fridge because I love them. And the green beans look pretty good. Nice and green. Cranberries! Yay, we have cranberries. These are organic cranberries, and they are from, looks like Canada. Does it say where in Canada? I'm going to say Quebec because there's a lot. Yep. These are from Quebec. I was going to say that because there's a lot of French on here. That's really cool. Our first cranberries of the season. Some red chard, and it was nicely wrapped up. This looks healthy. And this box, just to remind you, is all organic. A cucumber. Some celery. This looks like a tiny beet. It's just a tiny little single lone baby beet all by itself. Maybe I'll find the rest of this in here. Maybe. That's kind of weird. A pomegranate. This is large compared to the other pomegranates that I've gotten from Misfits. Brussels sprouts. Yay, we love Brussels sprouts. Some Brussels sprouts. And these look pretty good. Apples, and these are organic Gala apples. I love that everything is wrapped up so nicely. They do such a nice job with that. Organic Gala apples. Some organic Bartlett pears. Red bell peppers. This one looks a little misshapen, but they're fine. Some more organic Bartlett pears. So far, this looks like a lot more than I've gotten from them in the past. Maybe it's because I didn't pick it and they did. Could that be? Some more organic, ooh, that's a nice shiny one. Organic Gala apples. Another Desi pack. Rainbow carrots. Some more Desi packs. And that's all that's in the box, but they do put the ice packs around the sides and the insulation around the sides, which is in contrast to how Misfits Market and Imperfect Foods do it, where they just throw them on top of everything and crush them. So I really like the way that Farmbox Direct packages things. It makes me really happy. I get very excited about the packaging. And if you like this video, hit that like button. And again, if you haven't subscribed, you're not going to want to miss anything that I have coming up in November and December. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell icon right next to it so you won't miss a video. And remember, I have the 28-day transformation that is available right now. And because you watched the whole video, you're going to get $200 off. Just use promo code YouTube and you'll get the entire program for $97. That's 28 days of nutrition for $97. That's my way of saying thank you for watching the video. And that's all for now. I will see you real soon. Bye.